Welcome children. I hope you all watched the first video and understood the topics very well. Today the same lesson we will study about some topics are cropping pattern, major crops and food crops other than grains. Now we shall discuss about the cropping pattern. India is geographically a vast country, so it has various food crops and then non-crops which are cultivated here. India has three cropping seasons. There are Rabi, Kharif and Sayyid. What is cropping pattern? There are different ways growing crops. These different ways can be used in give maximum profit. They are called cropping patterns. According the season wise, various types of food crops and fiber crops, vegetables, fruits, etc. are growing in India. Now first discuss about Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter season from October to December. It is cultivated in summer month from April to June. What are the crops growing in this season means wheat, barley, peas and mustard. This type of crops growing in large areas of India. States are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal and Uttar Pradesh. 1960s, particularly 1967, Green Revolution was introduced by M.S. Swaminathan. In this period, large level of high-yielding variety of seeds, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, new machinery equipments also used. So, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh areas cultivated in large quantity of food grains. Next, Kharif season. The Kharif season started with some southwest monsoon in different parts of our country. This type of crops harvested in September to October month. Kharif crops grown well in coastal areas. Some important crops grown during these seasons are paddy, maize, jowar, soya bean, cotton, groundnut, etc. Rice is growing in areas are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. And then east-west coastal areas also. Present days paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. Next is Sayyid season. In between the Rabi and Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months. It is known as the Sayyid season. Some of the crops produced during the Sayyid are watermelon, cucumber, vegetables, muskmelon and fodder crops. Now we shall discuss about the major crops. A variety of food crops and other than food crops are grown in different parts of in our country. These are depending upon the variation of soil fertility, climatic condition and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in our country are paddy, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton and jute, etc. Now rice. Rice is the staple food crops of majority of Indian people. Our country is second largest producer of rice in world after China. It is a kharif crop. It is need high temperature, should be greater than 25 degrees Celsius. High humidity and annual rainfall should be more than 100 centimeter. Some areas of less rainfall only receiving. In these spots it grows with the help of irrigations. It grows best in alluvial clay soil which can retain water. It is grow very well in northern plains, coastal areas and delta region. Next, wheat. It is second most important crop of our country. It is required moderate temperature, rainfall during growing this season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It is needs 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall in enough. It is Rabi crops and it is grown well in loamy soil. Wheat bowl of our country is Punjab, or otherwise called this football of our country. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Next, millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. They are also called coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soil. It needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature. Bajra grows very well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Major producing states were Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi is growing in dry season and grows well on red soil, sandy and black soil also. Major producing states are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrition and roughage. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to areas and production. It is mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation system. Major jowar growing states were Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Now maize. This crop which is used for food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires moderate temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and lots of sunshine. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Using modern inputs like high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers and irrigations have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major producing areas are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Maize is also known as corn. Various colorful varieties of maize are found across the world. Next, pulses. India is the largest producer in the world as well as the consumer. These have more protein content. It needs less moisture and growing even in dry conditions. Major pulses: moong, peas, argur and gram. Pulses growing in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Some crop growing in kharif, some grown in rabi season. These are mostly grown in rotation with other crops.